Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a bullet point within a cell in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see here many data. Now I am want to insert a bullet point within a cell. At first, click inside the cell, double click, and we can see here show the cursor. Then press and hold Alt on your keyboard, then write 0149. We can see here automatically added the bullet. Then you can write anything. Now I am write this. Then press Alt and press enter to go to the second line and write again. Press Alt and write 0149 and added the bullet. Then write another text. Now we can see we insert bullet point into cell easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.